I am 3D printing a G1 Metroplex. So here how far I have gotten so far. And yes, he does transform. The guns are fully posable. You can turn them, and you can see them two in the back turn. This is ratchet. It does have a bay door that closes off so you can't see through there. Also detail, check out the stairway. Like I said, it could do a crazy air crunch, so let me set this phone down for that. Air crunch. See the detail in there, and that's the air crunch. And this one right here is printing off the other half of the left torso. And this right here is printing off ratchet gears for the shoulder. And it won't be long before I get this Ender 5 Plus going to help print off some more pieces for my Metroplex. As you saw earlier, that the other two are printing off some pieces right now. The first one was a Ender 3 V3 SE, and the other one that's printing off the burgundy parts is a Ender 3 V2 Neo. So yeah, I done fell down the 3D print hole. All right, folks, y'all be blessed.